Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a product review on the OLAPLEX shampoo and conditioner, the OLAPLEX number 3, 4 and 5. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, can you please subscribe and like this video if you found it helpful. So I'm basically just going to jump straight in and just give you the rundown on the OLAPLEX. So it's a little bit different from anything I've ever used before, to be honest, because you actually do a pre-treatment. So instead of just doing your normal shampoo and conditioner, you start off with this little number 3 treatment. So you wet your hair down, you put this in, you leave it in for at least 10 minutes, then you shampoo with the OLAPLEX number 4. And then after that, you do the conditioner. It was a little bit weird, I must say. It's very unlike anything I've ever done before, in the way that it didn't instantly make my hair feel soft. And some of you might have had the same experience. Like, I don't really know what I was expecting. The first thing I did was I wet my hair down and I did the number 3, rinsed it off, and I was a little bit like, oh, okay. I didn't really feel a big difference when I rinsed it off. I just kind of felt like, it's hair, like didn't feel soft or anything. And I'm like, okay, well. So then I did the shampoo, washed it off, and then I did the conditioner. And even then, by this point, I'm thinking, okay, you know, it's going to start feeling really, really good. And I left the conditioner on for about 5 minutes, rinsed it out, and I was still a little bit like, oh, okay. It doesn't feel very soft. So I was a little bit like, oh, what's going on here? And then I finished off my hair. I gave it a blow dry, and it felt amazing. Like, I must say, it is really different. It's a really different product, and it's a bit to get used to, but when I washed it and blow dried it, like now, it feels amazing. It feels so nice and soft and not like chewy, like bleached hair, you know. It's not getting knotted. It's just like, look at that. I really love my hair wash days, so like I'm just really enjoying clean hair. Yeah, so I highly recommend it for anyone that's got bleached hair. If you have had bleach on your hair, I think OLAPLEX is for you, definitely. If you're looking for something that's really deeply nourishing and you've got really frizzy curly hair or something, maybe it's not for you. But like, if you are a color client and you've bleached your hair, definitely recommend that you get some of this stuff. I just want to say, use it properly, because I think a lot of people aren't using it properly. I would recommend you overdo this rather than underdo it. So leave this one on for more than the recommended 10 minutes. Leave it on for 20. Shampoo is pretty self-explanatory, you know how to do a shampoo. And then when you move on to your conditioner, treat it like a treatment, not a conditioner. So like, towel dry your hair, take the water out, put it on, leave it on for like 10, 20 minutes rather than the 2. These are expensive products. They are $50 each, and that's a lot of money for 250 mils or a 100 mil number 3. So like, take the time and do this properly. Don't just treat it like a normal product. It's not a normal product, an amazing product. And if you're not doing it properly, then you're washing your money down the drain. So like, I don't even wash my hair in the shower anymore. I just wash it in the sink all the time, because that way I know I won't rush the job. So I will towel dry before each step, and that will help you hugely, because you're taking the water out of your hair before you're putting the product on, so it's not being diluted by all the water in your hair. So do that, and that will make a huge difference. Take the time, do it properly, and you will get a better result out of it. You can just buy it directly from OLAPLEX online. So that would be the easiest way to get a hold of it. They are doing kits now. That's like a box set where you get the shampoo, conditioner, and the number 3 treatment all together for, I think, about $125 plus shipping. And I might just also talk to you. You may have been realizing that my OLAPLEXes are not white. They are actually the color of my hair. So this is another thing you can do if you're a color client. If you've got, you know, something like this that you want to maintain, what I can do for you as a hairdresser, or I mean, you could do if you were game, is we'll actually empty this out into a bowl, add a little bit of color to it, kind of mix it up, and then put it in. So we can custom mix your color to whatever color you have. So every time I wash and treat my hair, every time I do my number 3, I'm getting a color treatment. Every time I do my conditioner, I'm putting more color in my hair. And what I've noticed is that my hair color isn't really fading anymore because it's already a pastel color. It's kind of already, and I'm just maintaining a constant color. It's not really changing. So that saves me time, and I think that's a good little trick. Yeah, so that's, I mean, I can do that for you if you're a client of mine, or maybe you want to ask your hairdresser, or maybe you want to try it yourself. Just be careful. Yeah, so that's a nice little tip that you can do. Something else I might just mention is with the OLAPLEX, it builds up. So the first time you use it, you might not go, oh my God, wow, my hair feels amazing, opposed to some other treatments, because OLAPLEX isn't coating your hair in shit. And that's why I think I found when I went to rinse off the conditioner, I was a little bit like, oh, it's not, I kind of thought, it's not really that good. It is, it's just working internally. So this stuff really works. It's inside the hair. It's repairing the hair properly, not just coating it in, you know, crap. So that's the biggest difference that I felt with this as to other treatments that I've used, is I didn't get that instant gratification, but once I tried it and the more I use it, the better, and the better it is getting and the more it's doing for my hair. So it's an amazing little product, and I really like it and I highly recommend it. Yeah, I think that's it. I think I'm done. If you liked this video and you found it helpful, can you please give me a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel? Thank you very much. Bye bye.